Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by assembling essentials: books, an anvil, an enchanting table, and lapis. This is non-negotiable. Place bookshelves one block away in a one-block gap pattern to reach level 30. Once done, you unlock the best enchantments. Make sure to get to level 30. Experience is the currency here, so grind mobs, mines, or farms until you have it. Use multiple books so you can combine later. This saves levels and increases success. Now head to the table and start enchanting the first book. Once you have several enchanted books, you need to curate and combine them. Enchant repeatedly to roll the specific enchant you want. The table is random, so keep extra books. Use a grindstone to strip negative or low-level enchants when needed. This refunds some experience and clears clutter. Then use the anvil to combine matching enchantments on books. Combining increases level and reduces future anvil costs. Make sure to plan cost order. Combine lower-cost books first, then merge higher ones to minimize total levels spent. Now apply your combined books to the target item with the anvil. You'll spend XP, so check cost before committing. Prioritize mending and unbreaking first to preserve durability, and repair with the same material to avoid wasting levels. If you hit the anvil's too expensive limit, don't panic. Grind down items to reclaim resources, re-enchant fresh books, or reorder combinations to lower costs. One key troubleshooting tip: when costs spike, split combinations into stages rather than one giant merge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.